It was most uncharacteristic for him to write as he did about Amlash Hart. When I saw the pieces coming one after another, he wrote, I was struck dumb. I found it incredulous to believe that a simple form could be developed to such a high degree of abstract sophistication. Amlash art rings like the purest bell ever cast, he wrote. There is no Greek saga. There is no Bible. There is no preparation. We are completely unprepared, and yet we enter fully and seem to understand the very meaning of the artist's endeavor. Whenever I got excited about the perfection of a sculpture, he continued, I stood speechless in front of a new one. Magnificent creations started to come, and a completely different attitude took shape in my mind. Whereas heretofore, I could use a given scale of knowledge and experience by which to judge creations of art, I found that in the Amlash art, I had no use for this conditioning. Danziger was impressed by the pipe-like forms in these bronze and clay Amlash bull sculptures. Art historian Mordechai Omer noted the influence of an Amlash landscape sculpture in a sketch by Danziger. Now, after 50 years of steady evolution, we are faced with a miracle called Amlash art. Danziger observed a similar approach in Amlash sculptures. Brancusi and Danziger were artists of pure shape, and Amlash, a school of art which created only pure shapes. The bull is power. The woman as a pelvic form. The bull seems to be a predominating feature, Danziger wrote, and appears with its hump and spout in a multiplicity of forms. These people knew every millimeter that they touched. Each bull was a perfection of shape. The bronze Adam and Eve, he noted, at first sight reminds one of the Astarte and Baal of the Middle East tribes. However, we see by the movement of the body that this is treated as pure sculpture. The movement of the back of this Amlash sculpture is a hug of a male and a female. Danziger noted that Amlash sculptors used a similar idea 2,500 years earlier. There is an infinite variety of play in Amlash art. The stretching of forms. Animals with human characteristics. Movement was an element Danziger employed, which he also observed in Amlash art. The illusion of movement in this Kernos form. And actual movement in this Amlash rocking horse. We expect artists to fly in the face of what is established and to create not what is acceptable, but what will be accepted.